Mr. SLK, Neff on the beats. Dumb life, huh? Let's get it. Somebody told you wrong if they said I wasn't him. That mean the only one that matter in this covenant. That mean the bracket that I'm in, I owe the government. Get your refund ass out of here with that other shit. I could take a roll, run it up just for the fuck of it. You got that golden arch and I'm loving it. Your ex hit your line with that sucker shit. The Don ain't cuffing it. I just give a good dick and make her fall in love with it. Boiling on that ruckus shit, fresher than the double mint. Put my words inside a pot with water, watch it bubble quick. Levels to this game, planting seeds of wealth. So every time I see a milli, I'm repeating myself. Got a sneaker deal and I ain't even need you for help. So even if you don't support, I'm still feeding myself. Even if I win a Grammy, I'm just beating myself. I'm in the league of elites, rest of pieces of hell. Lyrically, you just missing me. I'm rap's new epiphany. Thank the Lord, cause yes, I'm blessed with what he gifted me. You could cry a river, I walk on water like Jesus, and I kill you for my own or for anyone. It's your Reese's. Told you one day I'll be rich and famous, no telekinesis. And it was written in the heaven, fuck media's thesis. The world survival of the fittest, you die from your weakness. Soon as you peeking, you the fish and they use you for defense. I seen the same games played a day, pimp. Made my name on my night and my day shift. Underground nigga trying to make the A-list. Niggas trying to get paid and I'm just trying to stay rich. These game girls got it done in the Matrix. 4 rings, I put mommy in that A6. When she get home, there's security in place. I'll be there in about an hour just in case you need a taste. I'm a Don a day of the week. Check the resume. I love my Africa's best, I don't do resume. When I speak, baby, let your soul meditate. I put you on, I make your bank account levitate.
Alright, first start. So, our first start, we're gonna see what we got.